Hello everyone, let's learn how to create this real estate logo by using Canva. First of all, go to the website, then tab www.canva.com. After that, choose more, then choose big 500 by 500 pixels. Once the page load, go to the elements, then choose the shapes, choose the rectangular shape. Then here decrease the height by 30. Then rotate it 40 degrees. Then make another copy by choosing the rectangle and duplicate. Then rotate it to the opposite side 40 degrees. Now let's put them and join them together by put them like this. Press Ctrl and the wheel and the mouse. Keep pressing the Ctrl and move the wheel like this. Now let's put them and join them together like this. Let's see. Nice. Now change the color by choose both rectangular shape and choose color. Then let's put a nice color to this shape. And let's pick this color. Or let's choose another color. This one. Nice. Now you can add another rectangular shape by choose elements, now shapes. Now try to decrease the size by doing this. Choose the white color. Now you can put it wherever you want, like this. After that, create two rectangular shape to remove this area. Pick this rectangle and choose duplicate, and now you can put it like this, and press Ctrl and the wheel and move it to the down corner like this. Now make another copy by using Alt and put it like this here. Control and the wheel in the mouse and put it. Press Control to free move this shape. If you don't use Control, you will handle this problem. So press Control to move freely and move by left click. Nice. After that, now you can write whatever letters you like by add text and heading. I would like to use what I chosen before. I think R, and let's say D. Okay, R and D, and or let's choose just R. Then let's maximize it. Control to free moving. Make it bigger, like this. Now Alt, keep pressing Alt and move the letter like this. Let's change it to D. And between them, let's add a and sign. So let's create another heading and let's add and move it down to the middle. I think this is nice. Now let's create, let's put them like the same color like this rectangular shape by pressing choose the letter, then color, then the same color. Now let's specify all of them and let's maximize it a little bit and put it in the middle. like this. Then go to share and then press download and download this page and choose PNG. Keep the same settings and press download. Take this and put it here. Upload it. After you upload it, add another page and press on it and maximize it. Now let's remove the background. After remove the background, press share, then download and download the second page, not all of the pages, just the second page. I'm done. Then pick this option, transparent background, and press download. Now so this is the design. Now go to photobuy.com and choose templates. Then let's pick a nice design. I would like to take the same design like before. Where is it? I don't remember. Where is it? Where is it? I think this one. Yes. Click the mouse. Now double click to the logo. Then hide it. After that, bring the page that we downloaded from Canva. So this is the page and put it here. You can maximize it a little bit like this. Put it in the middle. Yes, this one, like this. Now go to the file and choose save as smart object. Then press on free office raw mockup. So this is the design. You can make it, you can maximize it a little bit, but let's say this is the final result of me. I can edit it whatever I like, but I like to keep it like this as a tutorial. Thanks for watching and bye.